Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, January 12th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile from the ES and SPY. And right now, the market's continuing to do what it's been trying to do, right? And that is go up. Okay, this has been so far a very early year of emotional gaps. We've done nothing but gap higher for the most part. We had one gap lower so far this year. Out of all the gaps, only one is held so far. That's yesterday's. Right now, we're just about a half hour away from the CPI number coming out. So we're getting a combination continuing, I would believe, of short covering, momentum buying, unless they know something we don't know, why they're buying up here. It's anybody's guess. We have what we talked about, price voids all over the place. We'll get to those in a minute. Triple Qs are doing the same thing, as is Russell. Remember, the daily is up for all of us now, and the weekly is firmly up right now for the S&P. Look, we want to talk about game plans. Giving you the overnight right now is kind of useless. They're probably going to change come 8:30 as we're all over the place. But here's the bottom line, okay? You have to look at very visual areas and places where the market might pause and or bounce off of. So we had a price probe yesterday, okay? You have a wide POC. Now, I'm in threes here, but that's got to be at least 15 wide. So we're going to see after come 9:30. I don't care at 8:30. I don't care if we go up 10, down 10. It's going to matter to me at 9:30 where the market opens. And then we'll obviously know where the overnight high, overnight low is. And then we'll see who tries to take control of the day, right? 8:30 means, unless you're going to trade 8:30, and that's a coin flip, it's 9:30 where we are. So we have to go off of basically what's happening, possibly at 9:30. Well, if we have a gap to the upside of any magnitude, you know how I feel about that, okay? I'm not going to be looking to just jump in and take a long. Yes, the next big destination on the upside is, number one, to fill the gap. Okay, our gap gets filled at 396.31. Right now, pre-market, they're trying to do that. And above that, we have a huge price void. Remember, I said there's nothing to a 9-wide pocket, 404.08, and a daily high at 405.50. Now, prior to that, you're going to have the 200. Well, right now, pre-market, we're about $1 below it. So we're going to see how at 9:30, I don't care at 8:30, but at 9:30, are we above the 200? Are we below it? Do they try to defend it one way or the other? That's going to be a key level. If buyers take it and we have a gap and a trend day up, well, then we're going to break 4,000 today, right? Plain and simple. If they get above the 200, hold the gap to the upside, and especially if they go trend, we're going to test 400 in SPY and 4,000. Well, we're at 4,000 in ES already, but 400 in SPY for sure. Okay? As far as the other side, if for whatever reason the number's no good and they take out yesterday's low on a gap, well, then we're going to fill yesterday's gap. And again, there's not much inside of the 10th day. So you can get a really big flush down to at least 3,900. So don't be surprised if the market takes back what it's done the last 2 days, 3 days, you'll see 3,900. If the market continues doing what it likes, you might get a pause. Regular trade now is at 4,000. But again, above that, on the upside in ES, above their 200-day moving average, there's nothing. 76.50 is the 9 wide. 90.75 is a daily high. And then you have single prints up at 98. So again, expect volatility. There's no reason to pull the trigger at 8:30, and there's probably no reason to pull the trigger at 9:30. Let's see if there's conviction. That's the key. Everybody loves volatility, but if you open up, run up $2, down $3, back $2, yeah, that sounds like good volatility, and it is. However, 99.9% of traders will get chopped up in that. I'd rather have conviction. I'd rather open and then continue going high, or open and continue going lower, right? That's what you want as a trader. You want conviction with the market once we do get it going. All right? Again, it's the fact that we hold our breath and wait for these numbers is really frustrating and stuff, but that's the life of a day trader these days with high-frequency trading, algorithmic trading, and instant gratification. And then as far as the chart goes, real quickly, I'm just going to show you the daily, okay? So here we have it. We went balance, bull, balance, bull. So we always talk about the market, which way is the market attempting to go? The market's attempting to go higher now on the weekly and the daily. So that's not something to totally ignore. Can they obviously take it all back? Of course. But remember, if this market goes down this morning, the market's not going to go bull bear. The market would go bull balance. I don't care how much we take out. We can go down to 380. We'd just be back in balance. On the flip side, if the market likes what it hears, we're going to continue bull, get above the 200. And not only that, look at this trend line. It's right around the 402 level on the daily. Okay? Look at the weekly. Right? Same thing. It's around 402, 403. That's a level that they might bump their head against. And that's really your next destination on that 9-wide POC. Again, if you're in this room, we'll lead you through these type of volatile days. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.